From an article posted by Reuters.com, it discusses the anticipated job growth in the United States for the month of June. While the pace of job creation is expected to slow down compared to previous months, it is still projected to be robust. This means that although fewer jobs may be added than before, the overall employment situation is likely to remain positive. To see the article in detail, I have the attached link in the comment section of this video. Here are some of the key points taken from this article. Economists predict that the number of new jobs created in the U.S. during June will be lower compared to previous months. However, it is important to note that the economy is still expected to add a significant number of jobs. The article highlights that despite the anticipated slowdown, the overall job market in the U.S. remains strong. This indicates that businesses are continuing to hire workers, which is generally a positive sign for the economy. Several factors contribute to the projected slowdown in job growth. These include supply chain disruptions, labor shortages, and the reopening of sectors impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. These factors can temporarily affect the pace of job creation. The job market plays a crucial role in determining the economic health of a country. Job growth indicates a growing economy and increased opportunities for individuals to find employment and improve their financial well-being. Now, how does this affect small business laundromat owners like myself? First, this potentially generates more customers. With job growth, more people are getting employed, which means there will clothes for work, and they may choose to use the services of a laundromat to wash and dry their clothes. So as job opportunities increase, there's a chance that more people will come to the laundromat to use its services. Next, spending power will increase. When people have jobs and earn money, they have more spending power. This means they can afford to spend on things like laundry services. So with job growth, there is a possibility that people will have more money to spend on using the laundromat. This can positively impact the revenue of the small business owner. However, it's important to note that job growth can also attract competition. When there are more job opportunities, it might encourage other entrepreneurs to start similar businesses, including laundromats. This means that small business owners need to be prepared for potential competition and continue offering quality services to attract and retain customers. For example, if you observe a significant increase in demand due to job growth and experience little competition, you may consider maintaining your current pricing strategy. However, if competition intensifies or if costs rise substantially, a review of pricing structures may be necessary to ensure sustainability and profitability. Job growth can also have an impact on our operating costs. As more people enter the workforce, utility expenses such as water and electricity may increase. As an owner, we should carefully monitor their costs and adjust pricing strategies accordingly to ensure profitability while remaining competitive. In conclusion, small business laundromat owners should view the recent job growth as an opportunity to expand their customer base and cater to the increased spending power of employed individuals. While competition may intensify, focusing on excellent customer service and finding unique ways to stand out can help them thrive in the market. It's essential to carefully evaluate pricing strategies based on market conditions and cost considerations. By adapting and strategizing wisely, laundromat owners can navigate these changes and achieve long-term success. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep hustling and stay inspired.